All right, let's make a video. Okay, how you guys doing first of all? All right, I'm doing real good. Thank you for not asking. All right, let's pour a cool one. Because right now it's after the noon hour. I always do coffee in the morning. Maybe some hot tea, honey, and do a nice little beverage. Anytime after the noon o'clock hour. All right, I'm doing Ghost. Because it matches my shirt. And yellow matches my underwear. And my hat. Okay. With Live Good, all right, first you got to ask yourself, okay, self, what is it? All right, so obviously you're going to look it up, go to Google, go to YouTube, and just search around, see what's going on. You're going to hear about Live Good quite a bit, especially if you're searching for how to make money at home, or is there something that has multi-pay? Is there an affiliate company out there that's just kicking butt, taking names? Now, if you searched what's probably the best home business in 2023, Live Good popped up. Okay. 2024, no doubt. And right now, it's just a couple days in of March of 2025, and we're still just slaying it. Okay. We're still signing up over 60,000 people per month. All right. That's a lot. And that's worldwide. Okay. All over the world. All right. Asian areas. You probably heard of China, maybe Japan. All right. My biggest downline is Pakistan. Isn't that funny? All right, man. I got people over in Africa, New Guinea, New Zealand, Australia. You go up above me in Canada and even down to Mexico. Okay. At my age, I'm not used to meeting people worldwide. Most of my businesses have been in the radio business, the nightclub business, semi-truck business. I've done a lot of things the last 40 some odd years. But if you told me a couple of years ago that I would join a company where I could buy a webcam, buy one of those little lights, those circle lights you can see in the reflection there, and just talk for like, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, maybe longer. Just talk about an experience or a product, and then invite people just to click a link, and it goes to a little short video that tells you about Live Good. And from there, done. That's a home run. That is a touchdown. Okay. I won the race. And I know you can do this. It's affordable too. I don't feel comfortable if I promote something that I think people honestly can't do. Especially if you duplicate, oh my. Because if you get people to sign up and you can help them duplicate, or maybe I can help them through video, okay? Oh my gosh. That's where the moolah starts going like this, okay? Why do you think people love affiliate type companies, okay? There's a badass product or service or opportunity already designed. And hopefully it's already just kicking butt, taking names like Live Good, okay? I'm not a big fan of startup companies, all right? I'm quite successful in a lot of online opportunities right now, and there's not a week that goes by that I don't have somebody going, hey, you know what? It looks like you know how to recruit. You got thousands of people in your organizations or your biz. Would you like to start working with us? All right. Or I'll even grandfather you in. If it costs, I don't know, $100 or $500 or $5,000, we'll just let you in. And that way, you can just kick butt for us. We're a startup. And I'm just like, okay, it sounds good. And to get something that has a value of, let's say, $1 billion. Okay. Now, if someone goes, hey, I got $1 billion, here you go. I'm like, wow. Okay. I might have to look into this, but I like when there's a company that's doing well. I know the ownership. I see the effort they put in through live video, and there's a product that you can actually buy. And if you buy that product, you have 90 days, 3 months to enjoy the product. And if you don't like it, send the darn thing back. There's a website, there's a capture page where you can put your name and email address in if you want to join. Awesome. And if you don't join, that's a tongue twister. The company might, in fact, like Live Good, send out 1 email a day for 30 days. Just saying, hey guys, you know what? Check this out. Here's some more information about a product. Okay. Do you have brain fog, fatigue, diabetes? Do you want to lose some weight? Do you want to feel better? Okay. We have a lot of cool stuff to make your body rock. We even have hats and shirts and little bottles that you can shake your protein shake in and drink. Okay. I'm a big fan of supplements. Okay. I've been taking them a long time. And right around 2022, December 13th, that's when Live Good started to be an affiliate-based company as well. Okay? There's only a handful of products. Super Reds and Super Greens. In fact, I have some of the containers right there on my little mini fridge off to the side. Okay? That's what brought me into the company. Also, amino acid fruit punch and the orgasmic coffee with little magic mushrooms in it. Okay? That's what brought me into Live Good. And then, I got a little smarts. I said, if I spend $10 a month, I can be a member of Live Good and get all wholesale pricing, which you can see on the website. I'll show you in a sec. So I was spending about $10 a month to save about 30 to 40. Makes sense. That was a no-brainer. And then a couple months after buying the products, I had a friend of mine ask me if I knew about Live Good. And I'm like, oh yeah, I buy the products. And he's like, no, as an affiliate, you can earn money. And I'm like, oh, hell no. I'm not Mr. Avon, Amway, Tupperware, New Skin, Herbalife. I'm not an MLM type guy where I'm going to make a video like this. And I don't know, how about a little Hot Wheel? I got a little Hot Wheel. My favorite little 4x4s are Hummers. Okay, I'm not going to sell you this Hummer for $100 when it might only be worth 5 to 10. Okay? You guys know how MLMs are. You're forced to buy, wink, wink, nod, nod, the products of that company. And they're usually inflated to ridiculousness. It's so high that you're almost embarrassed to ask anyone to buy the products, especially your grandma or your pet giraffe in the backyard. But the company says, hey, look, if you buy $300 or $400 of products each month, you can rank up to bank up and your commissions will be $300 to $400. You're like, okay, well, God, the company is selling, probably making the products for 10, selling them for 50 to 90. So the company's making money, your upline is making money, and they got Learjets. They have, maybe they got Hummers, maybe they got Ferraris, ridiculous amounts of money. And all of us are at the bottom kind of like worker bees. Okay? I'm not an MLM guy. I got to be honest, I'm embarrassed. Straight up. If I have Tupperware, Amway, if I have something on my shirt, okay, I just don't believe in that structure of income. Okay, is it a matrix? Is it a pyramid? Is it an MLM scheme or sheme or scam or wham bam? Thank you, ma'am. Who knows? But it's not me. I do like products that kick ass. Live Good has the highest quality and the most expensive ingredients. They just do. You can look it up. But we're the cheapest because we are a membership-based website. For that $10 a month, guys, you're getting just barely over cost of that product, okay? We're 30 to 70% easily cheaper than any other product that might be on par with us. Our direct competition like McDonald's, Burger King, okay? I like that. And I like that if I buy the products, and after a month or two, or maybe I just use them up, gobble them up, and I just get an average response, I like that I can send the container back empty or the package half full to Jupiter, Florida, our distribution center, and get my money back and maybe try another product. And you know what? After 2 years of buying products, I'm not at that level, guys. I like all of our products so far. Mission accomplished. And I'm not a fake it to make it. I don't have to kiss anyone's ass at this company or any company. Okay? Not at my age, guys. I value my reputation. My real name is Cory Draper. This is the Cory Draper channel. You can look me up. You can go to CoryDraper.com and search on Facebook. I use my personal page to actually chit-chat about this opportunity. Okay? I'm a big fan. I will wear a Live Good t-shirt. And believe it or not, I have a couple. I even have their hats. And I never wear them. I keep forgetting by the time I hit record on these videos. But I think you'll enjoy the products. And if you like them, I think you're going to buy them each month. And if you become an affiliate for $40 one time, you can earn money. Two $20 bills. Just rub them together for good luck. Invest that $40. Let's get you a couple signups real quick and we'll get you your money back. Within the first week, I just want you to sign up a couple people. Not your grandma or that pet rhinoceros in the backyard. Friends and family. You don't have to bug anybody. All right? Not one time have I asked any friend or family member to join me. Some of my family and friends will see me talk about this product. They'll see the success I'm having, and they will ask me, how do you join? And this is how I do it, guys. I've signed up, 411. I just signed up somebody. All righty. And I think I got another one coming in an hour or two, so I should be up to 412 real soon. And I'm real proud of that. I do this. I invite people to click a little link to watch a little video. And mission accomplished. Like I said, home run, touchdown, the winning goal, guys. Let video do all your recruiting and training. Don't overanalyze and make this business more complicated than it needs to be. Joincory.com. Go there. If you want to make business cards like me, hand them out now and then, but don't ever talk about Live Good. Just go ahead and invite them when you click that joincory.com. All right, go ahead and just watch the video. You can't miss it. There's a YouTube video smack dab in the middle. And if you don't like what you see in 10 or 15 seconds, delete and go on your way. Go to eBay or go play solitaire or something fun. But you do not have to sit down and go to a webinar or a seminar or a Zoom. I'm not coming over to your house in your living room and begging you to join. And then you're too embarrassed to say no. You tell me that, oh, God, I got to ask my wife and you're single. All right, I got to ask my husband. And you might not even be married, ladies. I get it. It's embarrassing to say no to something if someone has passion. But I'm a big boy. All right? Kind of an old man, to be honest. But I enjoy just inviting you to go to joincory.com and just watch that little video. And if you want to join, just put your name and email address in, open up your email, and join Live Good. Guys, $49 and 95 pennies. Okay, $9.95. You got to be a member each month. It's $10 a month minus 5 cents. It's easier for me to say 10 a month than $9.95, okay? $40 one and done. That's for life. You know, if you join right now for $49.95, let's just say during the summer coming up, you take 6 months off just to work on your tan. And in 6 months, you just start paying that $10 again. Guys, you're still an affiliate. Isn't that awesome? You're an affiliate. That one-time fee, just like a little tattoo that I got on my arm here about, oh my God, look at how faded it is. I got this 40 years ago. Okay, so anyway, how have I been able to be successful? By being a member and an affiliate and just somebody that does YouTube videos. I'm really good at email. On social media, I just kind of post friendly little things, and it seems to work. Okay, so if you join me, I'm going to send you an email right after, and it lists everything in order, what I do. And I have a routine I do every day. I make it fun, simple. You know, might take an hour here, an hour there, but I kind of do Live Good all throughout the day. If I have an hour to kill, which I always do, I like to make videos like this. I upload them. Then my email system is easy. That only takes me, God, not even 15 minutes. Okay. And when I post on social media, I don't do a lot of social media posts. I don't want to overkill it and look like I'm desperate and broke and join. All right. I like to entertain on Facebook. Show you my hobbies like Hot Wheel collecting or Kiss or Legos or collecting Farrah Fawcett Barbie. Okay. I have a better response by hopefully being humorous or fun or just being real. And if you guys get to know me, awesome. And if you join Live Good, there's a lot of support. There's so much information out there. You can join under anybody. But if you do join under me, I'll do whatever it takes to help you guys. Okay. It's not hard. It's not heavy lifting. You just got to ask yourself, are you going to slice out an hour or two? Or, 5-10 hours a week? But it goes by fast. When you work Live Good for a couple hours, it's just so fast because 15 minutes you're messing off. Then you might go pee or something. All right, then you work for 35, 45 minutes, do something. And then you, go get yourself a little ice cold beverage. Okay? Before you know it, a couple hours. And then you get a routine where you get things done real quickly. And you're just like, oh my God, what used to take me 2 or 3 hours now takes me 45 minutes. That's how I am now. I have Live Good so down that I can do more videos than anybody. No one can compete with me on videos when it comes to YouTube. I can make 10 to 15 to 20 a day in my sleep at this point. Edit, cut them, boom, they're uploaded, rock and roll. Okay? But you just got to ask yourself, how much time during the day do you want to slice out to work your Live Good business? I think if you are successful and you start earning money, you're going to definitely slice more time. You're not going to watch those movies or sports or those Lifetime channel movies. Okay? There's a lot of things that get distracting from friends, family, screwing off your traditional job. Let's say you work 9 to 5. Okay? A lot of things eat up that 24 hours every single day, the rest of your life. But just ask yourself, man, do I really want to succeed and earn just a little bit of money, maybe online, or do I just want to buy the products and earn $100 a month because that's what I want to spend on the Live Good products, on my little mini fridge there? Or do you want to make enough money to where you can start paying your cell phone bill and a building like this with the lights and the internet access, the electricity, maybe some food and drink, okay? And maybe you can do a car payment, insurance, cell phone, of course. There's so many things that take those little pennies from you every 30 days, right? So I think it's just as easy as I don't know, going to the bathroom and let's say washing your hands. Okay, that's how easy I think Live Good is, especially after you do it a little bit. All right, this is not heavy lifting. And if you go to the bathroom, wash your hands. Okay, maybe brush your teeth. You should shower now and then too. That's kind of important. Buy some baby wipes. Huggies are the best. Baby wipes are okay. There's some other brands, but Huggies is my favorite. Cucumber, aloe vera. All right. Oh man, we're talking. Oh man, I don't even edit my videos. Even if I drop my phone or screw off or forget what I'm even talking about, I don't really edit my videos. I just like to turn the webcam on and chat, then upload. Okay. All right, guys. If you don't mind, can I show you my link one more time? Because I really do have to go tinkle right now. That's why I'm laughing. All right, joincory.com. Just go to that link, watch the little video, and check it out. Okay, if you have any questions, go to Cory at corydraper.com. I'm not shy. I'll help you guys out. Okay? All right, well, I'm going to go do my little boy business. I got some business to do. And afterwards, I'm going to wash my hands. All right, you guys have a good one. Thanks for subscribing and watching my YouTube channel. All right, guys, take care.